What's the meaning of Angeleno? Angeleno. 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 Angeleno.
Angeleno is a noun that refers to a person who is a resident or native of Los Angeles, California. The word derives from the Spanish term for Los Angeles, El Pueblo de Nuestra Señora la Reina de Los Angeles del Río de Porciúncula. As such, Angeleno often carries connotations of the unique culture and lifestyle of Los Angeles, including its entertainment industry, vibrant art scene, and diverse population. The term has also been used as a source of regional pride for those who identify as Angelenos.